Hello everyone. Today we'll look on topic array.reduce method in JavaScript. So first we'll go with the traditional way, that is using for loop. We'll create an array and we'll sum that array. Okay. So like this, and we'll create a variable to store the sum. Sum equals to 0 and initializing it to 0, right? So we'll create a for loop. Let I equal to 0, I less than 6, that is the length of array, and I plus plus. So in this for loop, what we'll do is that we'll sum the array, that is sum plus equal to r of I, right? That's it. So this 21 represents the sum of this array. So to do this using array.reduce method, what we do is that array, that is my name of my array, and we'll reduce, we'll use reduce here. Reduce basically accepts two param, that is accumulator, that is a, and e will be the current element. So this function will return accumulator plus the current element, and the initial value of accumulator 0. So you can see that we have same result 21 here also and here also. With this, I think this is more clean way to do follow than using for loop. So basically what we are doing here is that we are assigning a and e. A is acting as sum here, that is initial value 0, and here we are assigning accumulator as 0. This a is initialized here as 0. This e represents the I here. On each iteration we are following e, e2, e3, e4, means iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration 3. So on each iteration the value 1 will store here, 2, 3, 4, like this, and the sum will be given as 21. This is how array.reduce method works. Thank you.